Welcome to class 7. I am your English teacher and want to take a class. Note for the honorable teachers, the subject teachers are requested to read the notes given below the slides. Notes are given below the slides number 7, 8, 9, 11, 14 and 15. Madhurya says, she is a teacher. Look, she is a teacher. Can you tell what she does in school and at her home? This is one kind of question to you. Discuss with your friend what she does in the school and at her house. Discuss yourself, my dear SS. By pair, you can discuss and try to find out the answer of this question. My dear SS, today our topic, a teacher 2, unit 4, lesson 2. Learning outcomes of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to say some things. There are 5 matter of things. Ask and answer questions, read and understand text, talk about people, fill in the gaps, tell the meaning of some key word from inference. Ask your friend the following question. What is she doing? She is a teacher and she is teaching the English literature. She is reading a book and teach the SS. Ask your friend the following questions. What is she doing? She is talking to the students and seems to us this is rainy season and she is going to any other place and some of the students follow her and she is talking to them. Ask your friend the following question. What is she doing? This is her house chores. She is doing her household work. Public, she is making bread to her family. Ask your friend the following questions. What are people doing to her? People are giving her salam. In-laws. Now we discuss vocabulary. Meaning, relatives by marriage. India, Indira Gandhi is mother-in-law of Sonia Gandhi. You know that Indira Gandhi was the president or prime minister in India. Once upon a time, she was killed by enemy. Individual work or pair work. Go to the section B in the text book, then match the words with their meanings. Read the passage and try to find out the answer by yourselves. Each of the students read your own book and one asks a question to another and another was try to answer this question. By this way, you can know some new information. Now, individual work. Read the text from the textbook, section A, and make a list of this that Sahana does as a teacher. Help them to complete the dialogue, filling the gaps. Take the words from the box. Why dash you want? This is fill in the gaps. why dash you want? You can put in the dash do. Why do you want to be a lawyer? Because I dash it. Because I like it. I want to dash the people get justice. I want to help the people get justice. And you can see there are some words in the box. You can fill the gaps. This is Kulo's test with Kulu. There are some words in this box, and by these words you can fill in the gaps. Do, want, like, lawyer, help, justice. Pair work. My dear SS, you know that what is pair work, and look at the blackboard. Now in the same way, you ask and answer with your friend about what you want to be. Number 1. What do you want to be? Why do you want to be a dash? Individual work or pair work. Read the passage from section E and complete the passage with words from the box. A word can be used more than one time. Now open your khata and write down some information that is called homework. Recently you have met your cousin Samima. Now write a dialogue between you or your cousin about what you want to be. That is called what is your future aim. I want to be a fashion designer. Thank you, my dear SS. See you again next class. Okay.